right, we are putting the clips in, making sure everything is secure and ready. All right, the brush, girl. It looks so natural. Like, look at this blend. This blend is actually crazy. Very soft. Oh, that feels really good. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Hold on. Wait, because that actually feels like I just got a silk press. Like, oh my God. All right, so I'm about to finish this side, but this side, oh my God, I finished this side, and the body on this, the softness, it's just, it's amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. All right, this is the final look. I am obsessed. And we are all ready to go, girls. Bye.